In this question, it is said that 342 grams of 20% by mass of barium hydroxide solution and specific gravity is 0.57 is reacted with 1200 ml of 2 molar HNO3. If the final density is same as pure water, then molarity of ions in the resulting solution by nature of the above solution is identified is. Now we will have to do the question like this, right? First of all, we will talk about what is the given mass of sample. The given mass of sample is 342 grams. Now, it is not entirely barium hydroxide. It contains some other things also. Only 20% of this mass is barium hydroxide. So, what is the weight of barium hydroxide? So, that will be 20% of 342. Right? So, it will be something like 68.4 grams, right? Now, we want to find how many moles of barium hydroxide can be formed. That will be weight, which is this value, upon molecular weight. Molecular weight of barium hydroxide is 171. So, total number of moles comes out to be 0.4. Now, when barium hydroxide dissociates, it gives us 1 mole of barium hydroxide gives us 2 moles of hydroxyl ions. Therefore, 0.04 moles of barium hydroxide will give us what? So, these are the number of moles of hydroxyl ions, right? Number of moles of OH minus ions. Now, next what they are saying is they are reacting this with 1200 ml of 2 molar HNO3. So, if I say moles of HNO3, that will be molarity which is 2 into volume in liter. So, it is 2.4. And HNO3 is a strong acid. HNO3 is going to dissociate and 1 mole gives us 1 mole of H+, which means moles of H+ will also be 2.4. And now there would be a acid-base titration reaction. So how do we solve it? H+ comes from where? HNO3. OH minus comes from where? Barium hydroxide reacts to give us salt plus water. How much H+ is present? It is 2.4 moles. How much hydroxyl ions is there? 0.8. So 0.8 and 0.8 of H+ and 0.8 moles of OH minus will get consumed and form 0.8 moles of H2. So what is left behind? 2.4 minus 0.8, which means 1.6 moles of H+ is left behind. So moles of H+ left behind is 1.6 moles. What is the final volume? Now initially the density of solution is given as 0.57. Specific gravity is density. And mass of sample is given as what? 342. So density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to mass upon density. So this is the initial thing before HNO3 was added. So after HNO3 is added, so we have 600 which was the initial and 1200 which is after addition of HNO3. So total volume becomes 1800 ml or 1.8 liter. So what is the concentration of H+ ions? It will be moles of H+ ions 1.6 divided by volume in liter, which is 1.8, and hence answer comes out to be 0.888 molar. So for this question answer would be C.